everyone, you're watching Nathan Health and Fitness, where we bring you the best tips and exercises for fitness and core strength. If you're new to our channel, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. In today's video, we'll talk about planks and their variations that can take your core strength to the next level. These variations will not only improve your stability and endurance, but also transform your overall fitness. So let's get started. Planks are highly effective exercises that focus on building core strength and stability. Over time, the standard plank can become less challenging as your body adapts. To keep your workouts more exciting and to push your core strength further, incorporating plank variations is key. These innovative moves engage different muscle groups and enhance endurance, ensuring you never hit a plateau. In this video, we explore 6 powerful plank exercises that can transform your body in just 30 days. Stick around until the end because the 6th one is a game changer. Let's get started. First, let's acknowledge why the standard plank isn't enough. The standard plank is a foundational move that builds core stability by holding a straight line from head to toe. While it's a great starting point, it primarily targets the central core muscles. As you progress, your body becomes accustomed to the static nature of this exercise, which can limit its effectiveness. Adding movement or targeting different muscles through variations is crucial for breaking through plateaus and keeping your workouts both challenging and effective. Now let's jump into our main topic, starting with number 1, side plank. Starting with number 1, the side plank is an exceptional variation that emphasizes the obliques and the muscles along the sides of your abdomen. This move not only enhances rotation strength, but also improves posture and balance. To perform the side plank effectively, position yourself on one side with your forearm beneath your shoulder and your legs stacked. Raise your hips until your body forms a straight line from head to toe and focus on keeping your core engaged. This alignment challenges your stability, helping to build strength while preventing any sagging or rotation. Number 2, forearm to push-up plank. Transitioning between a forearm plank and a high plank creates a dynamic movement that engages not just your core, but also your shoulders, chest, and arms. This exercise mimics functional pushing movements, making it highly practical for everyday strength. Start in a forearm plank with your elbows under your shoulders, then push yourself up onto one hand, followed by the other, transitioning into a high plank. Lower back down to your forearms with control. This constant shift challenges your balance and coordination while increasing endurance across multiple muscle groups. Number 3, plank with hip dips. By adding side-to-side motion, the plank with hip dips targets your obliques, lower back, and hips while improving overall core stability. This variation introduces functional movement that strengthens muscles often overlooked in static planks. Begin in a forearm plank and rotate your hips toward one side, lowering them close to the ground without touching it before lifting back up and dipping to the other side. The slow, controlled motion ensures you engage your entire core while enhancing your coordination and balance. Number 4, plank with shoulder taps. The plank with shoulder taps appears simple, but is a powerful exercise for building stability and upper body strength. Starting in a high plank position, lift one hand to tap the opposite shoulder while keeping your hips steady and your core tight. Alternating taps force your core to resist unnecessary movements, working your abs, shoulders, and back in harmony. The focus on maintaining alignment and control makes this variation ideal for enhancing functional strength and upper body coordination. Number 5, plank with leg lifts. Incorporating leg lifts into a plank shifts some focus to your glutes while still challenging your core. This variation improves lower body stability and strength, making it a functional move for activities like climbing or balancing. Begin in a high plank, lift one leg off the ground while keeping your body straight, and engage your glutes as you hold the lift briefly. Switch legs with control to ensure your movements remain steady and aligned, maximizing the benefits for both your core and lower back. Number 6, side plank, star hold. The side plank star hold is in a league of its own, earning its title as the GOAT of all planks. This advanced variation takes the classic side plank to the next level by adding a leg lift, creating a full-body challenge like no other. It simultaneously engages your obliques, glutes, and shoulders, making it a powerhouse move for building strength and balance. To perform this transformative exercise, hold a side plank with your body in a straight line. Lift your top leg while keeping your hips steady and aligned, and extend your top arm overhead for extra stability. This intensified position sharpens body awareness, enhances your control, and reinforces your alignment under pressure. It's not just a core workout, it's a total body stability test that will redefine your fitness. Stick with it, and you'll see why this move reigns supreme in core training. Quick workout circuit. To maximize the benefits, combine these variations into a single circuit. Start with a side plank to engage your obliques, transition into the forearm to push-up plank for dynamic full-body activation, and follow with the plank with hip dips to boost stability. Next, incorporate the plank with shoulder taps for precision and control, and the plank with leg lifts to strengthen your lower body. Finish with the challenging side plank star hold to solidify your core strength. Repeat the circuit 2 to 3 times, resting briefly between rounds for a complete core-focused workout that delivers results in just 30 days. In conclusion, planks are a cornerstone of core training, and these variations take them to the next level. By targeting different muscle groups and introducing dynamic movements, you'll build functional strength, improve stability, and keep your workouts fresh. In just 1 month, these exercises can transform your body, helping you achieve a stronger, more resilient core. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful content. See you soon.